Zebra. Boring. I don't really like big kind of wild animals like rhinos and lions. They just kind of scare me a bit.
Birds, seagulls. I don't really like them. I'm not into birds and seagulls.